Welcome to Richer Soul. Today we have a short bonus episode to celebrate Tax Day in America. Welcome to Richer Soul, your journey to a more purposeful, intentional, amazing life. Where are you going to go and how are you going to get there? Let's figure that out together. At the core is the financial success to be able to do what you want, when you want, how you want. It's about personal freedom. One of the biggest things that keeps us from freedom is taxes. Like death, they are unavoidable. For most people, taxes are your number one expense and budget item. I know for me, I pay more than a quarter of my income in taxes. That's massive. And it means you should spend time understanding where you are paying taxes: federal tax, state tax, local tax, Social Security tax, Medicare tax, sales tax, real estate tax, and there may be many other taxes that you're subject to. You can find most of these taxes on your tax return in different places because they're all deductions on your federal tax. Rather than focusing on how much you're getting back in a refund or how much you may have to pay a little extra in this year, it's better to focus on how much you actually pay for all those different taxes. When you go to the store and you buy something for $17 and you hand the cashier $20, you're not thrilled that you got $3 back, are you? No, that's silly. Then why do we act this way with our tax refunds? We're all excited because we got a tax refund, and we never look at how much we actually paid. People keep blaming the tax person who did their return instead of understanding the situation and being focused on the taxes that are actually paid. How silly would you be if you did the happy dance every time the cashier gave you change and you ignored the cost of the item you were actually buying? If you're getting a large refund, you provided the government with an interest-free loan. I'm sure they appreciate it. Now, for some people, it's a great way to save and get a lump sum, but you could also adjust your withholding and increase your monthly automated savings so that you'd be getting the same savings every year anyway, and you'd have the ability to grow it during the year instead of a tax-free loan to the government. If you're not having conversations with the person helping you with taxes about how to lower them and make good choices, you need to. There are tons of resources out there to learn for free and find out what works best for you. I encourage you, however, not to do things for the tax benefit, but rather because you chose to and then figure out how to get the tax benefit from it. Real estate and running a business are two really great ways to turn the tax code in your favor. Both provide great ways to lower your tax bill. It's important, though, that you keep track of all your expenses. Since taxes can very well be your number one expense, put the effort into understanding what's going on and why. Get good tax advice, and that's going to cost money sometimes. Don't be afraid to spend it if you'll get a good payoff in lower taxes for years to come. Happy Tax Day, and thanks for listening.